My E'cole Lancome Certified Beauty Advisor training took place at the beautiful Warwick Melrose in downtown Dallas. It is a historic landmark. It was such a beautiful hotel everywhere you went. The details were impeccable. You could just see the history throughout the hotel. We were incredibly impressed. Here we are at the Warwick Hotel, downtown Dallas, Highland Park. Very quaint hotel, very upscale. 4 stars. Porcelain tub. Wow. The makeup mirror. Gonna love that. This is class, you guys. So jazzed. First day of Lancome training. They have fed us a wonderful breakfast. Look at the little Eiffel Tower. Gorge. Totally gorgeous. Say hello to everyone. Our little demonstration tables, I'm guessing. This is going to be totally amazing. Totally amazing. Oh my God. A beauty lover's dream. This is so amazing, you guys. Stay tuned for more awesome videos. We had a wonderful trainer. Her name was Maria. She taught us makeup application techniques, makeup removal techniques, eyeshadow techniques, and eyeshadow removal techniques. She was a really amazing trainer. We learned so much from her, and the experience I will never forget. Most of the trainings were done by her. We also had some virtual trainings. She taught us. She was so patient, and she had the most amazing shoes. We were all in awe over her purple shoes with the tassels. But there were men and women that joined us in this experience. It was absolutely incredible with the makeup demonstrations. All her techniques and advice were hands-on. They are so thorough, Lancome, and make sure that they have the best certified trainers possible. The setup was absolutely gorgeous. There was little stations where each of us, we had partners, and all of our products were right there at our fingertips. They had tables and tables of excellent stuff that we just got to play with all weekend. And what kind of beauty lover would not want that? Oh my gosh, it was just incredible. She is doing a technique here that she's teaching about eyebrows on men. They also gave us our own makeup brush set to keep as long as we worked for Lancome. All the trainings, she had a lot of different games and puzzles and neat ways for us to learn all the techniques. She really knew how to get everyone immersed in what she was teaching. We were just in awe. We had taken a lot of videos and a lot of pictures. When you do go to the Lancome certified training, it is by request only. They invite you, but you can also check with your local department store wherever you work for Lancome, and they will give you all the details about E'cole Lancome and what they offer in your area. This was, like I said, a 4-day event, and we had class from 8 o'clock to 4 o'clock, and we broke at noon. We learned everything from perfume, makeup, the color wheel, color techniques. It's just amazing. This was a presentation that I had done about the Seals Booster Mascara. Yes, like I said, they wanted us all immersed in what we were doing, and it was definitely a crowd participation. The girls that I met there were so amazing. We had such a good time. We had learned so much. Hello, everyone. It's a very exhausted day for flying home today. Still scared? Yes. Almost had Brad drive me home? Yes. Gotta be a big girl. But we say goodbye to Dallas. We say goodbye to the Warwick Melrose and Lancome that treated us with the utmost luxury and respect for women that just want to be beautiful and help other women feel happier and more beautiful. Thank you very much to Lois and Dillard's and Lancome, and most of all, God and my family. It's been a ride, folks. Have a great day. If you do not get the chance to go to E'cole Lancome, they also offer the training for Lancome Beauty Advisors on their website at lancomeusa.com. Here's a careers tab. You can find out about certain jobs in the Lancome family, and it will tell you exactly what job openings they have for Lancome and where they are, and you can apply online. They also have video after video of trainings and product knowledge that you can watch whether you are trying to be a Lancome Beauty Advisor or not. The trainings and development are on the website. They still do have the in-person events, but a lot of them may be shifting into the online space, especially since COVID. But as you can see here, there is the E'cole Lancome training. These are screenshots from my phone, and I'm showing you right here. There's an Ask an Advisor that you can leave your email and ask them anything that you want. You do have to put your name and information, an email for a beauty advisor to be able to answer your questions. There's that part of the Lancome E'cole training as well. Now, some of these trainings, you do not have to actually be working for Lancome to watch the videos and learn their product techniques and all the training. But there is a different part that I have seen here that you actually do have to sign in, and there are levels that you have to take and you have to pass to be able to get your Lancome certification. But just check online, and this is the part where you do have to have the code from your store or your Lancome advisor to show you how to get into the system and take all your trainings online. But there's like spa videos and helpful hints and tutorials and resources. Here's all the E'cole Lancome trainings in the past and certain videos for events and product knowledge and techniques. Their website is filled with helpful videos, whether you are wanting to be a Lancome Beauty Advisor or not. Their expert series, these are the trainers that are putting forth the videos online, and they know their stuff. They are so highly qualified. But guess what? KimsBeautyBiz.com, new website. You guys have got to check it out. Beauty, fashion, skincare. I have compiled 30 years worth of beauty experience and helpful tips and knowledge. There's free resources available. The short ebooks are just $7. They've everything from skincare essentials, lifestyle workbooks, fashion, couples, connection, has now turned into Passion Playbook. There's fun quizzes and all kind of insider secrets. I have saved them all and put them all on this website and made them available to you. I have 3 signature mini courses: the How to Get Free Makeup mini course, the Beauty Profile, which is fashion, and my new healing journey that helps us work through traumas in the past and what I learned through a messy divorce. But you guys, kimsbeautybiz.com, I am always trying to share all the insider secrets and helpful information to try to give you all the knowledge that you ever want to know about skincare, beauty, makeup. Just go check out the website at kimsbeautybiz.com. There's so many helpful ebooks. You can just hit the links and read about everything that I now offer through the new website and the business that I have expanded through the Beauty Biz. You guys know I always love you. I wish you all the luck in the world. And until next time, bye-bye.